Welcome to the fascinating world of zoological sciences. In this video, we'll explore the biology, ecology, and evolution of animals. By understanding these aspects, we can appreciate the complexity and importance of studying animals. We'll delve into major topics like animal biology, classification, behavior, and interactions with the environment. Zoological sciences help us understand the natural world and our place in it. Get ready to embark on an educational journey through the wonders of animal life. Each topic will build on the last, revealing the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. Welcome, future zoologists and enthusiasts. Animal biology is the captivating study of the structure, function, and behavior of animals, an essential cornerstone of zoological sciences. Let's unravel the basics together. We'll begin by defining animal biology, a branch of biology focusing on the myriad forms of life called animals, from tiny cell structures to complex physiological functions. At the core lies the understanding of basic anatomy and physiology. Anatomy focuses on how animals are physically structured, while physiology delves into how these structures function, like the intricate design of a bird's wing that enables flight. We'll explore cell structure and function, the microscopic building blocks that keep organisms alive and thriving. Each cell carries out specific duties, working with others to maintain life. Understanding cellular frameworks helps us grasp life at its most essential level. Each concept builds on the previous one, forming a complex and fascinating picture of animal biology. Stay tuned as we dissect these concepts and more in the upcoming segments. Animals are classified into various groups based on their unique characteristics and biological traits. This classification, known as taxonomy, helps scientists understand the diversity and relationships among species. Let's dive into the major animal phyla, the primary categories in this classification system. Each phylum represents a distinct group with shared features. For instance, the Arthropoda phylum includes insects, spiders, and crustaceans, characterized by jointed limbs and exoskeletons. Another significant phylum is Chordata, encompassing vertebrates like mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish, known for having a notochord, a dorsal nerve cord, and pharyngeal slits at some stage of development. The Mollusca phylum, including snails, clams, and squids, is known for its soft bodies, often protected by a hard shell. Each phylum showcases the immense diversity in the animal kingdom. Understanding taxonomy and the major phyla gives us insight into evolutionary relationships and ecological roles, helping us make sense of the natural world. Let's continue our exploration and discover more about these fascinating creatures. Animal behavior examines how animals interact with their environment and each other. There are countless types of behavior, from simple instinctual actions to complex social structures. Behavioral adaptations help animals survive and thrive in their habitats. For instance, the intricate dance of a bee communicates the location of nectar to its hive mates, while a chameleon uses camouflage to evade predators. These behaviors are precise adaptations honed by evolution. Unique behaviors, like tool use in some primates, demonstrate the versatility and intelligence within the animal kingdom. Understanding these behaviors provides insight into the ecological roles of different species. As we move forward, you'll see how these adaptations are crucial for survival in ever-changing environments. Ecology studies how animals interact with their environment, examining the complex relationships between animals and their surroundings. Each ecosystem is a unique world where species coexist, interact, and depend on each other for survival. Animals play distinct roles, from predators to prey, scavengers to decomposers, contributing to the balance and health of the ecosystem. Predators control prey populations, preventing any single group from dominating the environment, while scavengers recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. These interactions showcase nature's resilience and adaptability. Understanding these dynamics enriches our knowledge of the natural world and highlights the importance of preserving diverse habitats. Next, we'll delve into food chains and webs to understand how energy flows through ecosystems, keeping the circle of life intact. In the intricate tapestry of life, food chains and webs illustrate the flow of energy within ecosystems, connecting producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers, like plants and algae, harness energy from the sun. Consumers, from herbivores to apex predators, obtain their energy by eating other organisms. Decomposers, such as bacteria and fungi, break down dead material, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Imagine a simple chain: the grass absorbs sunlight, a rabbit feeds on the grass, and a fox preys on the rabbit. But in nature, relationships are complex, forming interconnected food webs that show the intricacies of ecological balance. A healthy ecosystem relies on these interactions, emphasizing the importance of each species within their roles. As we continue, you'll see how adaptations enable animals to thrive in diverse environments, showcasing the remarkable ways life has evolved to maintain this balance. Adaptations are crucial for survival in the animal kingdom. These modifications help animals thrive in their environments. Physical adaptations involve changes in an animal's body structure. Think of the chameleon, whose ability to camouflage helps it evade predators, or the thick fur of Arctic animals, providing insulation against freezing temperatures. Behavioral adaptations are changes in how animals act, improving their chances of survival. The migratory patterns of birds, traveling thousands of miles to find favorable climates and abundant food sources, are a prime example. Survival strategies often combine these adaptations. Consider the cheetah, whose slender body and strong hind limbs enable it to run at incredible speeds, a physical adaptation. Coupled with its behavioral strategy of stalking prey before the final sprint, the cheetah becomes a highly efficient predator. As we continue our exploration, we'll uncover more fascinating survival tactics employed by various species. Up next, we'll examine how these adaptations evolve over time. Stay with us to find out. Evolution is the process by which species change over time, shaping the incredible diversity of life on Earth. At its core lies natural selection, a mechanism first proposed by Charles Darwin. Natural selection is the process where organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and produce more offspring. Over generations, these beneficial traits become more common within a population. Consider the Galapagos finches, which evolved different beak shapes to exploit various food sources on the islands, demonstrating how adaptation drives evolutionary change. Another example is the peppered moth in England. During the Industrial Revolution, soot darkened trees, and moths with darker coloration were less likely to be preyed upon, causing the population to shift from mostly light to darker colored moths. Evolution is supported by extensive evidence, showing how new species form and the variety of life on Earth emerges through ongoing changes. As we continue, you'll see how these processes tie into broader ecological and evolutionary theories. Speciation is the fascinating process by which new species arise from existing ones, enriching the tapestry of life on Earth. This diversification can be driven by mechanisms like geographic and reproductive isolation. Geographic isolation occurs when populations are separated by physical barriers such as mountains or rivers, evolving independently over time. Reproductive isolation happens when genetic differences accumulate, preventing interbreeding and leading to new species. Consider the Galapagos finches, where different islands fostered unique species adapted to their environments. Similarly, the diverse cichlid fish in Africa's lakes show how environmental variations result in numerous new species. Understanding speciation illuminates the origins of the biodiversity we see today and underscores evolution's dynamic nature. As we move forward, you'll see how these processes tie into broader ecological and evolutionary theories, providing a comprehensive understanding of nature's intricate web. Stay tuned as we delve into how this diversity impacts ecosystems worldwide. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, encompassing species, ecosystems, and genetic differences. The intricate relationships between organisms create a balance that supports life as we know it. Healthy ecosystems purify air and water, regulate the climate, and provide resources for food and medicine. However, biodiversity faces significant threats. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change are pushing species to the brink of extinction, while overexploitation and unsustainable practices worsen the situation. Protecting biodiversity is imperative. Every form of life plays a role in maintaining the harmony of our world. Join us in the next segment as we delve into conservation strategies and efforts to safeguard our planet's incredible diversity. Conservation, it's a lifeline for our planet's wildlife. It refers to the careful management of natural resources to prevent depletion and ensure sustainability. Strategies like habitat preservation, anti-poaching initiatives, legal protections, and community education work together to create safe havens for wildlife and maintain ecological balance. Consider the American bald eagle's comeback from the brink of extinction due to DDT poisoning, thanks to conservation laws. Similarly, the black rhino's recovery due to relentless anti-poaching efforts and strict wildlife protection regulations shows the impact of conservation. These stories are victories for individual species and triumphs for biodiversity. Conservation is a race against time to protect life. As we move forward, you'll see the impacts of human activities on this delicate balance and what actions we can take to mitigate those effects. Human activities have a profound effect on wildlife. From urban sprawl to intensive agriculture, habitats are being reshaped at an alarming rate, threatening animals' futures. The impact doesn't end there. Pollution, from plastic-filled oceans to toxic air and water, jeopardizes countless species, while climate change drives shifts in weather patterns and environments. Rising temperatures, altering rainfall, and melting ice caps force animals to adapt or perish. This triad of habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change accelerates wildlife decline, pushing many species to the brink. Our choices determine the fate of our planet's diverse inhabitants. Informed action is urgent. As we move forward, you'll see more about the challenges and what we can do to create a positive impact for wildlife. Many species worldwide face the looming threat of extinction. An endangered species is one at serious risk of disappearing forever. Factors like habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and illegal poaching push these remarkable creatures to the brink. Urban development and deforestation strip animals of their homes, pollution poisons environments, climate change disrupts ecosystems, and illegal hunting targets animals for their body parts or as exotic pets. Examples include the majestic tiger, sea turtles threatened by pollution and illegal harvesting, and the snow leopard in dwindling numbers. Understanding these causes reveals the reality that endangered species face. We'll also witness the efforts and potential solutions to combat this decline. Up next, let's uncover how conservation initiatives are making a difference in preserving these precious lives. Wildlife rehabilitation gives injured or orphaned animals a second chance at life in the wild through comprehensive care and medical treatment. Rehabilitation centers provide shelter, food, and medical care, preparing animals for reintroduction into their natural habitats. Staffed by dedicated professionals and volunteers, these centers work tirelessly to ensure each animal has the best chance of recovery. Success stories, like birds regaining flight abilities or orphaned mammals learning survival skills, highlight the importance of wildlife rehabilitation in preserving ecosystem balance. These efforts save individual animals and contribute to the broader goal of wildlife conservation. Support and advocate for wildlife rehabilitation initiatives to ensure a healthier future for all species. Up next, discover how you can get involved in supporting these causes through citizen science. Citizen science is a unique way for everyday people to contribute to meaningful scientific research. It's an opportunity to make a difference in wildlife conservation right from your backyard or community. Citizen science involves collaborative efforts where volunteers support professional scientists by collecting data, monitoring wildlife, or analyzing findings. Numerous projects include monitoring bird migrations with eBird or tracking butterfly populations with butterfly count. You can also contribute to understanding climate change impacts through the National Phenology Network or help conserve local amphibian populations with FrogWatch. To get started, identify a project that interests you, register on simple online platforms, and familiarize yourself with its goals and methods. Often, a smartphone or notebook is all you need. Start observing, recording data, and submitting findings. Your contributions build valuable scientific knowledge and influence conservation strategies. Join a citizen science project today and be the spark that ignites positive change in the world of zoological sciences. The field of zoological sciences is ever-evolving, embracing cutting-edge research and innovative approaches. Emerging trends like genetic research, bioinformatics, and conservation technology will reshape our understanding of the animal kingdom. Future research will explore animal behavior, ecology, and climate change impacts. Continued study in zoological sciences is crucial for understanding animals and ensuring a sustainable future for all life on Earth. As we move forward, let's embrace the exciting journey ahead, shaping the future through knowledge and innovation. We've covered an immense amount of fascinating information in this video. From animal biology to conservation, each topic is vital in understanding our natural world. The study of zoological sciences enhances our knowledge about wildlife and underscores the need to protect it. The quest for knowledge doesn't end here. We encourage you to delve deeper into this incredible field and discover more about the wonderful creatures that share our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of zoological sciences. If you enjoyed our content, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest educational videos. Dive deeper into the topics we've covered by exploring the links in the description below. Your curiosity is the first step toward a deeper understanding of the natural world. Until next time, keep questioning, learning, and exploring. Thank you for watching.